Alright, hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to keep improving the aesthetic, the layout for our dashboard. So in here, we have, we got our mail set up, and when we click on it, you can see it redirect us to a new page. And I embedded using iframes source doc. So the reason I use source doc is I think most browsers support source doc. And source doc is a way to really embed HTML code within HTML code. So it's kind of like embed an HTML web page into another HTML web page. Instead, I don't have a direct URL to access it, but I have HTML code for it. So yeah, now to have that. So yeah, get that out of the way. Now we're gonna keep implement this. So let me, and I also fix a little bug here. It's not UTC day, it's UTC date. So if when you need to fix that, otherwise there's gonna be some ordering problem. All right, let me go to the index.html here, and let me copy this. Where is my email? Okay, so in here I will say this. Let's go ahead and create a row. All right. Call 9. Let's go quick refresh here. Nice, get that out of the way. I will need this to be here as well. I just want both these texts. I don't want them to be the header text anymore. Here I'm gonna say subject, sender. Yep, so they can view it like that. I think should work on some resizement as well. So resize it. But yeah, I think I was looking for a better way to even display these to display the email text. But for now, let's just say that. Yeah, and then let's add a back button. Which if they click on it, they will direct back to the web page. So let's take a look at icons from Bootstrap. Or maybe I can use Google Material icon. Alright. Nice. As we implement Google stuff, these Google icon must be pretty helpful. Let's see. So I want go back button. So it's arrow. Is there arrow left? Be great if you have a arrow left or something. There's a border left. I don't want that. No. Okay, I will consider using that if we don't have other option. Yeah, there we go. So this one works. Alright, let's see how can we embed these things. Alright, alright, let's add it to the base.html. Alright. And if we okay, it's not really. Let's try dashboard. No, nothing messed up. Nothing is messed up, so that's good. I already got this little button here. Wonder if we make him bigger. We sure do. MD48. Is it bigger? Because I don't think it is bigger. Well, let's just deal with it. Let me add a BR here. Alright, I want to get this step done as quick as possible. Alright, so got this little button here we can click. Location, just redirect us to the index, please. There we go. Alright, so if we click on maybe the survey junkie. Alright, and then we can click back. There we go. Nice. Alright, so let's go work on the sand dashboard. So in here first I want to search for a plus icon. Do you have like mail? Yeah, this add works. Let's use add circle. Who knows? Alright, so add circle. Alright, so this is the index. And I also need to use this dashboard one. And let me paste it right here. I was thinking MD48 does anything. Maybe there's something wrong with like my overall settings. Yeah, because if I add MD48 as a set here. Oh, okay. I do need to add these stuff. Okay. Never mind. Alright. Gotta learn how to read documentations. Alright. Wait, what's this? Oh, okay. That's my debug. Okay. Let me refresh this really quick. Alright, there we go. That's much better. That's much better. Alright. Let's just take a look how it works. Oh, nice. Now I got this bigger back button. Okay. So now I want to just create a button. Alright. Where is my send? Where is my index? Yeah. So in here I need to go add a button. Add this code in, chunk of code, and then in here I can say compose. Holy God, that's a big. Oh, okay. I'm like, why is that so big? You are on its own div, category and folder. Right, okay, I want to raise the text up a little bit, maybe. And then in here, let's just say, let's just say text align as center. Alright, margin, let's say padding. Padding down, bottom. Let's just, I don't know. Okay, for some reason I cannot get this text to work. Oh, okay. Padding bottom. Give it 10 pixels and move up a little bit. And that did absolutely nothing. Okay, great. How do you... Yeah, I don't know. Alright, yep, okay, I will leave it like this for now. I'm gonna style the button a little bit. Let's do 25%. So it's kind of like the ellipse. Okay, never mind, the whole thing is not working. Not a single style is working. Great. Isn't that just great? Okay. Alright, let me search something up with that. Border radius, but right, I want this. I want this 12%, to be honest. Alright, yeah, okay, so for some reason, nothing's working. Oh, there we go, now it's working. At last, font size. Well, I don't want to modify that, I just want to move it up a little bit. That's why it's padding bottom. Give like, let's try 50 pixels. Padding, yeah, padding bottom. Alright, let's refresh a couple of times. Let's do 12 pixels. I'm not gonna worry about this. The more complex thing is how to get this composed. Because how Gmail does that is once you click, there will be a new menu pop up. So that's like the complex stuff. Okay. So how would I be able to do that? Yeah, you know what? For now, I'm not gonna worry about that display it. I just want to just go ahead. All right, let me go add a bootstrap class possibly, which may be gonna mess everything up. Who knows? All right. Well, maybe not exactly how I want it, but I mean, have color now. Click on this, and then what should happen is we get redirect to the page. So unclick location.assign. I'm gonna be such send. If I remember the route correctly. Because there's still a few things to worry about here. First is email to send. How do we know that? So like we need to create some sort of tag, right? Some sort of tag here. Subject and body. Right? I need to create some sort of tag on the email send. So how to add CSS the input in box. I'm so confused how should I ask this question. Tag a email, because I don't even know how to describe the question, because you know the Gmail has like a automatically like a surrounded using tag once you like unclick like a comma or something. So that's what I want to do as well. So maybe what we could do is in here, because we need a JavaScript. So once we finish this like design, which we're gonna pretty much finish everything up in this video, then we're gonna work on more on the send feature. So the receiving works, and then gonna work on the send. So like maybe we're gonna work on receiving as well. Like what happens if you BCC or CC a lot of users and send an email like these tag, how do you BCC, how do you CC, stuff like that. Maybe even some autocomplete, depends. All right, so email to send, let's focus on the tag thing first. So just interested, can I add CSS value to input? Add CSS to input value of input box. Is it possible to style value? Okay, I have a new idea. Maybe let's not try to put it directly on here, but let's try to put it up. That's gonna make it even harder, but let's try it out. So basically maybe add something here. Your value. Alright, let's see. To split input value by comma, JavaScript. All right, document dot get element by ID. I'm just gonna try to YOLO this programming now. Sent the onChange equals to. All right, so if split by comma and the length equals to 2, then what we want to say is document if string JavaScript includes. All right, let's just double check this includes method. All right, string that includes. All right, so we're gonna say that. Then maybe let's say console.log. Just gonna say comma exists. All right. All right. I should really remove this quad pay. I don't even know why do I have it. I cannot even like actually quad pay and take much longer to load anyway. All right. Let's say comma. All right. Code doesn't work because it doesn't have it. Okay. So info, no errors. Issues panel. Okay. All right, let's, oh, okay, never mind. It's dot value. Now it's gonna give us a string. Let's try it out again. All right. Let's see. I think it might shows up already. Comma, comma, comma. Of course, it doesn't work. Let's see. Okay, let's try this. I'll just paste it in here. It's not a function. All right. All right. Maybe in here, I had to say that. So I have to say var input. Then I had to do input. Let's try that. Includes comma, yeah. Includes. Oh, maybe because I misspelled it. Yeah, misspelled it. Don't need this extra line. Put it here. Alright, let's do a quick refresh. I want to keep it short, but apparently there's no way to keep it short. Alright, let's see. Wrong place. Comma. Come on, why don't you show comma? Okay, did this function get called? change in sent detected. Wait, what? Oh, you have to unselect it. Alright, alright, so let's see. Unchanged similar action. You have to unclick it. I don't want to do that. Can I do something like unfocus? Mouse key up. Word key. I don't know. Key up. Key up. Let's just say something like this. Let's take a look. Key up. Yeah. Refresh. All right. It doesn't even work anymore. Oh my god. Key up, unkey up, right? Yeah, it's unkey up. Oh my god. All right. Oh, and there you go. Now you got it. All right, refresh one more time. I'm gonna see if I can do on my own for this feature because I really want to get into some other interesting stuff besides CSS design, since I suck at it anyway. Because there's many other great YouTubers who's really great at CSS design, but I'm obviously not one of them. All right. There we go. All right. Okay, that's how I wanted. So basically what will happen is they will type the email address, for example this, all right, and then comma, and then comma exists. Once comma exists, what I want to do is this. I want to do a split of comma. All right, so I want to do this. So var email equals to this, and then we're gonna go ahead split by a comma, and we're gonna get the zeros element out of it, right? And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna add it to the top, or somehow I want to like add a HTML to here. So maybe the most plausible idea is to add it above it. So in here I could have something like div and ID is emails. And then in here I can say documents.get element by ID emails. No, I want to add a UL to here. So onward list, I want to give this onward list is ID. Alright, let's try this. Alright, so var, oh my god, I messed up. Alright, var li equals to document.create elements li.set attribute. Oh no, don't go away. Okay, thank God. Alright. Set attribute. What is there any attribute on the set? No, I don't want to set any attribute per se. I want to set inner text. And then it's equals to email. And then documents.get element by ID emails dot append child li. should be something like this. And one more thing I want to do is I want to remove. So in here, let's say email. All right, so then what I want to do is I want to email bracket 1, right? Email bracket 1. So here we're gonna say email bracket 1. All right, let's refresh. All right, type my email address here. Oh, nice, nice. That's exactly how I want it to be. Also, I have another email address, which if you haven't watched my talk yet with MOH Fellowship, you should go. I will leave a link maybe in the description down below, which I talk about design custom email. If you're looking for like 1 hour version instead of me coding for multiple sessions. Yeah. All right. One more thing I want to do is I want to be able to remove it. So what's gonna happen is I'm gonna add a X. I want to append like a little H as well, so you can delete it if you want to. Or it'd be great if I can add an on-click, and if it just click on it and deletes, that also works. Maybe I can try that. Alright, delete HTML elements in JavaScript. Alright, almost there. Once I figure this out, I'm gonna stop the video. Alright. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna stop the video here. There will be a couple more things I want to implement, how to remove, and if they type like duplicate email address, how should we handle that? But anyway, for now, thank you for watching this video. Please comment down below if you have any question or comment. As always, stay safe and have a nice day. That was me, out.